Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Paddington's Pantry, where my puppy Paddington and I make some dog-friendly treats. So I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season. So today we are burping on camera, and we are back with some hot chocolate for dogs. So it's not actually chocolate, don't worry, you're using Carob, but this is a cool little treat that your doggy can enjoy with you as you cozy up together in front of the fireplace, like we are doing right now. So let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to get some plain yogurt, and this is plain, full-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt. The reason why we're using full fat is because there can be some additives in low-fat yogurt that aren't great for dogs, and unsweetened because artificial sweeteners are also quite toxic to dogs. So I will link, I guess, a good yogurt down below if you want some extra guidance. But we're just grabbing that, and we're gonna grab some carob powder. So carob is like basically a chocolate alternative that doesn't contain, I believe it's theobromine, I'll have it on the screen here, which is toxic to dogs. That's the toxic component in chocolate. So this looks like chocolate. It has a similar kind of flavor to chocolate, but it's safe for dogs. And I actually got this off Amazon, so again, I'll link it down below. But all you wanna do is mix some carob powder with the yogurt. And so you'll effectively have carob yogurt. And then you want to add some water just to thin it out and to create more of a drink. Then just set that aside. And then to make the whipped cream component, we're just grabbing some 35% whipping cream and whipping it with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. We're not adding any extra sugar or anything like that. With dog treats, I like to control what is in them. So instead of buying a can of whipped cream from the grocery store that has preservatives and sweeteners and everything like that, we're just giving them straight cream. Then you want to pop the cream into a piping bag, fit it with a large star-shaped piping tip. I believe the one I'm using is a 2D off the top of my head, but I might be wrong. I'll link it down below if you would like to pick up this piping tip. But then all you need to do is pour your hot chocolate, which is actually cold carob yogurt, I don't know, into little glasses for your doggies, and then top it with some whipped cream. And then I added another little sprinkle of some carob on top, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. We hope that you like this recipe. If you tried it, let me know in the comments down below if your doggies liked it. We have a cookie recipe coming on Thursday. Of course, his ears perked up. Not for doggies, though. It's not a doggy cookie. It's just a human cookie. And then next week we have another Paddington's Pantry video, but it's showing what the dogs got for Christmas, and there's a very sneaky, exciting announcement within that video, so make sure you stay tuned. But anyways, yes, we love you guys so much, and yeah, we will see you on Thursday for a new video. Bye!